Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, the viewers. In front of me, Veikk device, and now I'm gonna show you how to install drivers for this tablet. So in front of me, this graphic tablet, and I have installed drivers, but I'm gonna show you how to set it up. I'll show you it in another video, but now I'll show you how to install the drivers. So it's really very easy to do. So you just need to open the Veikk drivers. So enter the Veikk drivers in Google or Bing, I don't know, and find the first website. So Veikk driver download, and click on the first link. And here you will see the pen tablets and pen displays. We need pen display. Click, please select product, choose your product. I have VK2200, and choose your platform. So if you have the Apple device, so install the Mac driver. If you have Windows device, so install the Windows driver. Click download and install it. Oh, Cortana, go away. So click on it and install the driver. So as you can see, I have the driver on my device, so I don't need to download it. And if I will download it, I will need to reboot my device. So don't forget to reboot your device after installing the driver. It's very important. But as you can see, if I will install it, so I will need to record this video again, and because when I'm installing the driver device, my device will reboot and will stop the video recording. So you just need to download this driver from the official website and install. Reboot your device and watch the next video. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and watch other videos about this device in the Veikk VK2200 playlist. Bye, see you.